International.
Share the video. Olivia Squad at level. Igati batanwe. So far no Olivia we mano. Olivia we nyo.
Wali ekere. Walo ta ore. Ifaki Olivia we mano. Olivia we nyo. Ekamota me kuberia nya na gogo. Olivia mane nya na gogo. Mawata megiro. Ope ni shado me ayo. Ifaki Olivia me mane. Benu Yahweh o. Na edo gano me gano. Ifaki Olivia me mane.
Olivia wahala.
Jibie kana we viene.
Jibie kabie. Ekasi kamwe. You see the work of Ibeaka. This is the hard work of Ibeaka. Ibeaka, you want to say to you. I better go to the other. Ashi wele.
Iya omoja. Eniya biao. Na ebe Olivia le nyando. Ifaki Olivia we mare.
Show me your bola. Almost show me your bola. Show me the bola make I tell you. It's your Ifaki shado no. Now Olivia we mare. No me ni be agasi. Get me be agasi e veraki. Ferrari Sazua. Echipo Sazua na pe musheshe. Musheshe Joshua yebo wanu. Musheshe una de opa. Obie musheshe. No ropa. No gebo wato. Elia yuni. Ah kwana. Ah kwana.
Olivia Gila, in a Rusway, London Citale, no Bamidian. Now go go.
All set in the all set in the Oya kola siang. Olivia Bane.
Olivia Mame. Olivia Mame. Olivia Mame. Olivia Agumavia Bafa, Olivia Mao, Olivia Mao, Usaka Oriai. No.
Here you go. Well, share this video, guys. You go assume for national peace today. Yaka. Well, I read it. As the hot. Now, guy.
26 kilo. Genesis. Number one. Stop what this thing.
Looking for small boy. Sa Majesty, iye ko na wazoa. Ona ya sin iye kia. Ede jene kwemu. No ye be ni des. Ye be gbe more.
Genesis, you know. Genesis, number one. Stop Majesty. Number one.
You de more.
Stop Majesty.
Share this video, man. Share this video. Bayo. I'm on the bayo. Ikebe don't move your go and Ikebe.
We're killing you.
Ikebe be a good. Get this video, my guys. Let's go there.
Our Majesty.
You go to the what can you listen to? No problem. Yeah, what is this? Now it's not so where are you boy? Tennessee. Don't talk on sis. You go man you up. Ya se bought one was near the message. A message of UK. Only 8 only. Okay, that's the no. But you know, only not booking or only. Only go on one side. Oh, back by the ball. Now, what was it? Our guy. Happy you can know. Happy you can know. Bien you can know. Bien you know. What in your see me? What else but what's in the
Il suo naso chiuso può avere effetti indesiderati su tutta la famiglia. Libena. Facciamo tutti un bel respiro.
Subito il programma 3 settimane per risultati visibili già dal primo giorno. Purina One.
Share this video.
Baba lao, aku mewese no maneseje o. Aga wese no wona o, logo damo ya komese. Aga wese no moja, we, logo ma yeso. Ademi kwena o, amai gaye no gide asa. Ave wani mama yese na ya mai gaye no gipo meso. Osana gaye mia o, Jesu na gaye mia. Mabala wo, aku mewese no moja. Aku mewese no
Yes, sir.
say wahala don come o. Omekwamene papa, na no go back amaya. Go back atene bibiaya, kebe teme liwo. Mami akeli rowaya, mami akeli risi. La o baba sume o, baba sume o, kele. Kele gade junu wa sume gade gade o. Kele gade go pele sume o, kele. Sume gade gade o. Sume o, kele. Sume gade gade o.
Yes, my lovely people, I greet you all with better sour at all right there. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to my platform, this is Umenwan Talk Show. This platform has been reported several times. On my page, we are reported. They tried to collect my page from me, which is this useless woman, my brother waiting for Lagos. But at the end of the day, God passed them. They post blue film on my page. Because he's always a what do they call her? OBBM madam OBBM with the also. This madam OBBM only his brother get access to my page. And I get my password and my email. You understand? But he could enter the page, unfortunately, because I was using him as an admin in my page. So when this bad goes occur, he tried to remove me from the page. But unfortunately, enough he removed me because why? Now maybe the business owner of my page. You understand? If he enters admin, but not going to remove me. So when he says he don't remove me, he collect the page from me. Because that was what this evil woman planned to do. And at the end of the day, it did not work. Then what did brother do? The major Facebook that controls the page, who is the owner of all the page, he posted blue film there. Which I have shown them before. Now I'll share this video. He posted blue film there. So Facebook have to drop all my pages. All the pages where they control. Hide them. So that we're not going to watch anything with the code. They're not going to see the notification. Not going to say anything about the page again. So along the line, after the many begin, so I have to do appeal. So the one way I still know how to do as normally, because now you know rich now you do. So me we have before still know. Now I see right to Facebook. At the end of the day, my page has been released. Hope you understand me now. Here go for your information. Now there is so. That's why I did here now. To come Zanzayo to. Now here for one called disgwangwa you. That word will be one where you and your brother speak cannot talk for media. For your concerning you. Concerning me and you. Now here we go talk. Here we go end up. Because now media you know me. Now media I know you. Before we go fuck. You understand? So that here we can talk everything. You feel me so? Am I the swing? Where you here? Whenever I will start, you know they sleep again. I felt want you. You go, I want you. I want you. And I tell you, say, that your yama will have where you claim say you be so you not be. When me know say, if you sleep, you smell like pig. If you snore, the whole house they shake. The whole house they shake. The whole window will shake. If you snore. Which you know. You understand? Now you be your hair. Now you they see vision. You will go to sleep, forget say you will get children for his house. You will go sleep, forget say you get children for his house. Mothers they sleep, reach some extent, they go wake up, go check their children. Some go wake up, carry their children, go peace. Now so more that they sleep. You will go sleep. Whenever because the fuck who you fuck with. After you don't come finish, you go sleep, forget, say you will get kids for inside house. Go forget your children. Now you call yourself behind. Now so you see vision. Now say no see vision. No worry, I'll play your video. Marry well. This media, you go regret the day when you know about this man. You never know me like someone. Oh. He made me know where 247. You call it to. I'm a joke. I'm a shash play. Please share this video, guys. Let's go there. Share this video. Let me share my video out. So, guys, help me share this video so that people out there can also see my page, because this page just they will come back from Sabisa Forest. So, you understand? Wait till collect strike. The page just they wake up. So all you need to do is to help me to share the page, share the video out so that other people can also see my broadcasts. You feel the vibes. So please, when I help me explain down, everything go viral. May this be a viral day. I don't mind drink. Our guy. Beautiful. Love and like this video. As you are watching the video, like the video, comments. You understand? In every nonsense, there's always a sense. Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. We all are learning. My own mistake, when I go still use until learn. When our own mistake, we will still become a comedian. People, the world will still use until learn. So this life will be. You feel me so? Now, this is a very special announcement to all the bloggers. Only 2 bloggers that is allowed to carry my videos. Only 2 bloggers that is allowed to carry my video. Number 1, Sweet Mother Gist TV. Number 1, Sweet Mother. Number 2, Untouchable Rejoice. Sweet Mother and Untouchable Rejoice is allowed to carry my video from today henceforth. Any other blogger carry my video, I go strike your face. When I share this particular video. This particular video, so this part level of this adulterous ego is free of charge for all of you to carry. When I carry, I'm gonna share this particular spot to all the rest bloggers. Those bloggers where they insult me, they use my video, they make money. That's radio. I am coming for each and every one of you, one by one. You know the guy they edit your video ratio. You understand? So just ready to the collect wuto from me. They can not talk, say I don't tell you now. Because anything I want to do you, I defend talking for live video, that's me for you. Anything I want to do you, I go first talking for live video, make you know say if in the case you see wuto, no say now me do one. I don't fear you, I don't fear anybody. You me so? All of you now where they carry my video, apart from Sweet Mother Gist TV, you get it for YouTube, you get it for Facebook, and Rejoice, Untouchable Rejoice, now blogger too. Those 2 people now give permission to carry my video. Any other person, any other blogger, whether blogger, presenter, they blog my video. Just they wait for me. When I go visit your page, no vessel. You understand? After you don't cost me finish for media, you will cut my video, you go place it for your page. The user, they make money. You understand? Then you can't believe, say, I can't fold my hand like this, I'm going to look you. I'm going to laugh. Because I've been mugu. Right? If you know so you be blogging my video, do your page, go delete them. Because if I mistakenly visit your page, I'll wear them. I go wear them. Me not be all those ones they do hide, they do bad, hide. If I want to do you bad, I go first say I'm going to do you bad. You understand? And you go see my name for there, they go see say you my DM, say that me do one. And now they hide after that you go face and play, say, now from it or strike me. Now my Facebook, I go to strike you. Now my email, I go to strike you. I don't return them, both for YouTube. Especially for YouTube. For YouTube. The way I go, what I go do now for YouTube, I'm not going to believe no I. You see, when you're on the Facebook, so they will restrict their Facebook. What I go do now for YouTube, I go pursue off for YouTube. All those bloggers where the YouTube will carry my video. When you know, say you they insult me, you they use my video, they make money for YouTube. I go pursue off my house. Don't be threat, now the thing I will do now, because my content, I'm not the carry. Now my content, not the carry. Now this time, now we want to know who really understand YouTube and Facebook. You understand? This year, now we'll collect what we're going to regret what I even touch social media to do blogger. You understand? I don't give you no time, rich, make una Chris, make una Zoor, make una use una shop money. Now this time, now when they will now one after the other. When I get on mind, I just strike. Now I give each and every one of you now. Ta. So when I continue the career, but the only person where I give that permission, Sweet Mother Gist TV, Untouchable Rejoice, only those two bloggers. Then if you carry my video free, but not somebody give me €1. Free. Because those two bloggers, if you come my platform here, share my video. They go share my own video, they go still cut for inside. Go use to make their own money. Now some people say they do something. Bloggers just sit down now, they know they comment, they know they like, they know they share. Immediately they drop this video that bam. Before we even drop the video, they don't cut their own for inside. Go for their platform. They use it to make money. Then when they come out with their live video, they go start they insult me. The same bloggers, it go start they insult me, it go still cut my video, go still go put up on his page. Those two useless mumu presenter husband and wife going mumu for Germany. After they don't insult me, my wife finish. No. They find how they want to. I want to follow. They find play. They find play. They come aside. They find play. They find how we fit the concept. They look me like Ode. Because you do on the first time I leave you. You do on the second time I leave you. You believe say it will happen again, I'll leave you. Now they have the guts to cut my video before your page. I pity you, Sha. You understand? I just make a phone when I'm not say Frank, I'm a bad person. You don't talk. Man, Frank, now. Frank, I'm done. Frank, do ask, I don't strike page. I'm not going to judge where. So if I go judge, me I have to let them see what I want to. In case if you have to be, no need to take cry. Because if you cry, nobody go even listen to you. Say, oh, my cat time away. Why you go carry a video where you know say you don't like the person? Person where you don't like, they carry a video. Person where you know they share a video. You know they follow one. You just they follow me to cut my video. Like that, I don't use Bola Zanzan to for Italy here. They use my feel like pack Jesus Christ to cover your faith of your video what you want post. If I ready for you, I go still bring your page down. Now me talking. I go tell you so that page now me open now for you. If I want to drop on down, no, I'll drop on down. You understand me now? So that's for that. Let's go to Mumu Mama Ego, the adulterous woman 2025. You understand me now?
The son of Okutoch.
Voila, for you we go for Frank with Bula. Where are you? We're okay, Frank. Okay, Frank now talk boy. Vera no meu Sazua. Okay, Frank. Talk now talk boy. What's my love sent for me? What did my love send for me? What did my love send for me? Share this video. Hey, I greet you. Who are Toradia? Mr. Onibrat, I must greet you. Now, what do? Everywhere they go do to ya nyak me call. Everywhere they go do to ya nyanuhi. Everywhere they go do to we vera ya nyak me call. Everywhere they go do to. You know you're Eni pukpo eni puno pona gege gbe me kia o iwi Jesu no gege ni po ya wa po eni puno re na o gege gbe me kia gbe me kia o ivi ekwe ya no la gege kia me gege gbe ya ege fia me kapu iwa yi no yo ni po no ware eni ponore na o gege gbe me kia iga vie kia gagbe ese me ya gwo wuhe ina vie kia gagbe me ya ese me ya gwo wuhe na ivie kwe o bibie ni mugi yego o bibie ni mugi yego iga vie kia gagbe ese me ya gwo yego ina vie kia gagbe me ya ese me ya gwo yego ivie kwe ko bibie ni vio gi yego o bibie me go bibie me re gbe God what do you also let's listen to yego no zua no go yin
right you see and then under the blog comment section a lot of people were laughing and catching cruise but the truth is that Nigerians need to be disturbed about this. Is going, and none of you have the boldness. Now let's start with the first place.
It's very dark man, why I'm moving now. You just got away from Victor. Oh no, I mean, no, you're not
for not to know say Obono Kamu Bokuta one yes. I don't sleep yesterday.
You know.
I open IT say that is the logo. Anytime I day at wake. 10 don't sharp, don't pray. 11 sharp, 12 sharp, 1 sharp makara. I don't sleep, I don't say yes. Today there's fire in the matter after wage fight. That's why my eye go there because I know this the God no go let me even sleep make una.
Only she be serve God. Only she be your hand. Whenever stars are you don't sleep.
See where pass enter here. So by the way, almost to Rama, you told you and I just light. I go to wait me kuna.
You go when you want to talk to the lie. The time where I dey your house. No night where you know they sleep. And you defend they sleep before me. After we don't knock finish. Because you know what? I go to beat you for this life with truth. If to say I never go your house now. If you dey talk all these things, I go believe say, mama, This woman is see vision. This woman is see mission. This woman a missionary. This woman to the kabash. This woman a heaven ahead. As far as I don't climb your chest, I spent 31 days for your bedroom. That 31 days now me no sleep. Rather than you snore. They use snore to disturb your house. After they talk, so your husband can testify. Yes, if you dey sleep, you dey shake the compound. They shake everywhere. You know, when I dey sleep, now in the morning when you don't go work, now I dey sleep for your house. Now I dey sleep for your house. You dey use snow, they disturb the whole compound. Now you say you dey see vision. Now you say you dey see witch. Now you say you dey fight witch. Now you dey fight spiritual battle. You will dey sleep the snow. I dey your house. You get problem with you wake me up. You say you don't be ordinary person. You say you come this house last night. Say na domot is stand. You beat her. You beat her. That one pass about. You say we'll go. We want to follow you sleep. All the way you do it. We want to sleep with you. When the way you take beat her, night wrong. The same you called me when I did your house. When me they open eye like this, looking for bed, it's no bro. They put pillowcase for my ear like this. They carry for they play game for nights. Sometimes I chat with the mumu abia you are. He just say, I just don't know say the snow. How he just said, tell no say you dey brrr 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 brrr. Before you say, see waiting and waiting you go buy. When you go buy one thing for Amazon, when you dey fish for those if you dey sleep. Say the thing they control snow. You don't go make the person because the snow not call the lad. You call the fisher for those. When you can't take the fight spiritual battle when you sleep the snow. Brrr, 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 brrr. Here you go, now. Uto, baby. Uto, here go, we Uwe, O Koboko 1 of Germany. Ogbegbe. Yego, total, Ogbegbe. You won't be a now, am I a fiekba ni asun ari egbiwe? Am I a fiekba iwe ya gbe sajekwa? Am I a saga? Ma we saga. Also when ogume naked no so when ogume me mo anybody. E me guy anybody. But we ask your boy you we talk them. Me my guy. He get why. He get why. This one don't be blackmail. This one back-to-back saga. Not on it. Not use it direct. This one will be indirect saga. This one a direct entry saga between me and you and your entire family. Your sister Ameze, not the UK. That one, I dey come for that one, go drag that one. I'll be around. Yeah, I said, boy. Yeah, I put over there. I'm moving you. Yeah, I put over there. I'm moving you. I put it narrate their story. Umenwan to Umenwan. You go feed me for this social media. What make the thing sweet so your family see this side they watch. They go to hear their own story. Oh, you wanna wadeko? No one finish invest no ya POS business. That one, Deborah, we only one side. Deborah own and the husband at the come. Do you know where they come Franco? I go disgrace you to the fullest on social media. Who here ageg boy? Very vera. Who here ageg boy? E no you go man go on social media. Who here ageg boy? Very that boy how gag by. E man worry na ga analyze the video. Also you run like me. I can't.
You see, I not sleep yesterday till 5:30.
Why me?
So the next day I could feel me. I not go sleep later. My children not go school. That 5 minutes sleep will carry me. Under 30 minutes, they still try themselves. Now every beat, every fight. I can't wake up again exactly 6:15. And that time I pick so you people should get up, start taking your beat. Now see my eye, and all of them they go because I cannot sleep. I was awake. Thank you, beautiful mommy. God bless.
Your eye may go wait to sleep. Yes. Ye go here. A day I go away cocoa. I will mount Kiakbao. You know why I feel can't tell you any video you do now? Because any video you do it for lie, I can't beat you put. Because I was in your house. If you wake up in the morning, I know how you look. If you never sleep, I know how you look. Why you talk like? You go. When you are elephants. Who are you elephants? Don't know where elephants are. Get away and work with who build Mina, who build Agbo, who build spiritual realm. They are still living in their house. Who go to the air below it looks to go up.
Mommy Patricia.
Wait,
please get
Patricia, Mama Patricia. If you book a bill, if you want at the end of the day, you will go. Oh, to the ABC, if you book the ABC, or to the ABC, my can, as Zeno, if you book at you are, you don't do the Buna, if you back bill, or sit back and watch the ABC, no boa. No boy at you are, to the ABC, or sit back, what to the ABC, or Halajan where a doctor's woman must see the truth. Go more down, go soon. We have a boy at you are, we get it bear. We give you give me voice when you were. Go marry anywhere because we are the social media. I'm not saying these things for all those idiots. Apart from Ugo, you can do that. Then you can do one. You can do one last division. Or assume for national history. Yes, I'm not saying this for you guys to come out and say, "Hey, that's a guy you go." We are the time we assume we want to go war. When you was winning now. Apart from Ugo, Morola, I mean, when it can know who and especially to know this work and this Zua. Where, Frankly, the way, who are what I can get to a whole you are slave to your fellow presenters. On is there, Bono, the bear lack, the bear who, yet you are calling her very rough, jetty woman. Aje ami color, aye camouflage, aye Jack Daniels.
No, I mean recommend this my page. I beg.
Shut up your mouth. Ya go you go. At the end of the day, they don't blow. They're not blow. They are not known. They're not even recognized. They've come to be a slave to people on social media. They make on social media. They can't stand their own ground and have their own ways to say or their own content to say. No. Now they're always under people, looking for people to support. At the end of the day, they are not still supported. Tina, eki gbeli ya na ya lawa. Eki magi gbuwa ni. Wale magi do we live video. Fravita, iye kavi. At the end of the day now, where are you people? You are hiding. Who are agwa bahame. Asa ti mutanata wahia wonia. Wahia le lawa. Wa bo bagole bingo le luwa. Who are a mababa content. That's what we call a mababa content. A mababa content creators. As they require with content, okay. I best friend your content, okay. I think that your content, okay. Ya said there, oh, we sugar money na yahibe. Na yakinyegbe etaweli ayita arota we yewe ya we content isagano amwe lapiladian okunoro wozwo ya we content isagano amwe mweladian isagano efesi ladian isagano anana bukina isagano amwe ya we content isaga obiera when agbage ema here me that grace to blow on social media surface, especially when you are not doing it for real, when you are doing it to be noticed. Notice me. High service Epa. Because the people who wear, they know what they want. You cannot see people know what the people want, they probably want, and give it to them, they will grab it. If you are a man or a woman who gets sense for this video, before you come media, if I don't get what I talk this, I lock up. I did this my territory, I did my house. I do not do this in my house. You understand? If you don't get what you want to talk, to call the fool yourself for life, you enter house, you chill. Let them miss you. Let the people know your words. When you ball out, they go rush you. Because they're not saying the food you won't go serve them sweet. When you start serving nonsense food, they see this guy and Chris. Don't get someone get what you want to talk now. I bet someone going to ask. So someone going to ask. Bro, this one that guy they like who be that guy? From Victor. He like, I bet me from Victor go sleep. That one person. I bet you not get what you want to talk. I bet me go sleep. Bro, from Victor they like from Victor. Yeah, man, like easy guy, man. Like then you get because they know what you want to give. They want to hear what you want to give. Oh well, from Victor. Nah. Ye Kevin Magbe. Ye Kevin Oga. Remember ye Kevin Oga. Why are you boy yo? Oh no, boy ye Kevin wa fian wole. Ye Kevin, you me wa ni hin. Na man ti dem if I Victor wo bari hu. What? Ye Kevin no ho. Ye Kevin ekwe mu we. But then you live from Victor. Ye Kevin no zuwa. The people are not stable. The people these guys are not normal. They are not normal. You want to okay. These guys are hungry people. All they want is just to see food to eat. That's it. That's it. So you have it in mind. Anyone what you wear, you are not fully them. You are fully yourself. Then we know where this person not get sense now. He don't get what to offer. Now you Kevin Magdu. Ako you Kevin Ozua. From it not to. From it to Gano. From it no. From it to you don't want to. From it almost go. Almost Wazua. Tomorrow, Umenwan government. Umenwan want be. Umenwan Gano. Umenwan you want wants a winner na. And I Wazua na. Umenwan government. Akwe. Umenwan we work in Wazua. Umenwan we want boom. Ugeli wa kon. Uno be color. Ugeli Wazua. You are not fully me. Fully yourself. It's the truth. This is the reason why you should say they don't grow. They don't grow. They are not, that's what we call the pure water men. Pure water men. They can't stand by their word. They wave. They are not stable. Wow, they are. Or we man book behind you must have another la. Or man ya kitikoi. Or a time on your time. Here you go. God
bless you. I've seen you. You are the only one who have recommended this my page. Mommy, God bless you. My sister from another mother. I beg the rest people, make me recommend this my page. I beg. Make me recommend. I made they see him. I know they do saga. And they go to talk the way it be. But if you don't want to come, that is you for you.
That's you for
that
you.
Is it. This page is for positivity, not for negativity. So that is it. Thank you, mommy. God bless you. I beg make una help me go recommend. Make una recommend. I be recommending Agben Ivani. We are going to recommend the page now. This Mama I go TV now. Beg. When I me recommend, how people go to see when I day life. Now only one mommy don't do one for me. Now God go bless you. When I go look yesterday, I said okay. This my mommy don't recommend my page. God go bless this Mama I go TV. Please, guys, you guys should recommend this page, please. Please. So I don't sleep. I just come back from school. I take thank God say the 30 minutes sleep when I sleep. If you make me concentrate.
Now let me want sleep. I don't sleep. So she not sleep.
For class. Because today we get test. We don't even know.
This woman, when this woman follow the right test, every year the right exam for Deutschland. Now so fail the fail. You go to here. And then you go you be the language school on you. For you able to focus on the language school instead you focus on who you are. You go to school, the next week, Peter, moi viens menia, menwa, moi viens mame. Muy bien, mamá mía. Muy bien, mamá que no ya tiebe. Oh, ti Frank Vito. Oh, e Frank Vito kale sagane wa. O kale sagane. Oh, wa Frank Vito true ne live video. Kale sagane wo tani. O wa the phone gbege. Vito, muy bien, mamá mía. Vito, oh bien o. Muy bien, mamá mía. Victor, muy bien, mamá. Gwe wa re mo. The man any point what do. You know why I voice you want ba. It's a look boy braba with this story your eh voice me na adani puyego. Eni puyego voice you oh yego wa we why voice me eni puyego the pium. It's a look boy You go I find him when work book. Oh, you're not finding another finding yen oga very me gbemu ye go avion boy we na avion we l'avion oga le boy go na oyin na rigo la de woza oga avion l'avion o ki an zo bo se mo o bi o gbe o sa lo practice mi ne mi enwen ne o se ni me na po pegbe ye we nwen ami enwen ni me ma mi e dere ri po pegbe o mo zo na wo re o pe ana nwen o e na ri zi go ye nwen. Jesus! If Frankie don't see breast, no go play. The breast one long pass one. You see my go breast one long. This one where this side long pass. A long big. This one big but not long, and this one not get nipple. This side na nipple make baka. Hey baba. Mais you know your nipple get on wheel like that. Any nipple get wheel like that. Eh joke. Any nipple get all wheel pew. Ini pun lagi nak salah. Nak ada. Walau dah pergi. Dosa apa di sabron. Oh ibu kan di guas. Because they went. Oh God. Some breasts good though. Some breasts we I just saw they know themselves. We really good. I see them say babe your breast makes sense. Yes. Yes. Emu ya di okay. Ya ni mama di okay. Ni mama si wa ro di okay ya egbe yan. But mama go get go na. Olololo, asawo lo, asawo wo. Enwe tuo yogo, otwelelele woto. Iye go wi ero wodo. He say not dey husband house. He don't return bride price. He and we go not dey again. From Victor. May you just stay Germany. I go rent one out 5 person. Make you help me look for one room. Make you stay there. From there you go dey fly people. Then I'll go find one woman for you. Where you go give Belle, you go give people. This was the plan. Oh. She goes, she go find one woman for me. The woman go to Dutch, they go to see the woman. Then if I give the woman Belle, the woman will get documents. Even if you get that one woman when you want to introduce me to, that woman will born 5 children for Germany there. For your godson, this woman born 5 children. For her own godson, then the woman, the godson go marry the woman. The woman not give the godson paper. The woman get one small paper for her. If you let me understand, okay, since the godson and the woman not there again, he go fit credit the woman go defraud me. You understand? As soon as they fire down, the woman like man with the fire like prick. I can say okay, no problem. So if the woman defraud me, you know everything now. If you don't fire her, you go face. I go help. No what I help you talk to her. You go put name for that picking with that woman also. So that you fit get documents. Now I say okay, no problem. You go fit there here. They stay for Dutchland here. Now I say no wahala. You understand? This is my hand. The woman not go know say me and her boyfriend get fed though. Now I say no wahala. I go sit down say you be my brother. Now mama no problem. I don't hear you. Agree. Salam alaikum. I don't hear you. Oh, but I see they bring the idea to come. All I have to do is to put my ear down to listen. Now, good plan. They plan for me, so I want to listen. Audio day, I'll play audio when time reach. And that's much more with the chop your matter. Audio, everything. They watch share video now. Video when I watch show eh. They pay the very name. My men don't show. You understand? Was sure eh? Where do you mean when you video no? There we men were reading. Paging what be ya reading. You understand? Ya kwario e walk kiri. Father Kalino. Can you know what experience in here? You will laugh there. Now therefore the live video so. You understand? The many ones still get many months. They still suspend rich like best as an other level. So especially in Iran, my info. So this one we just come and so, but when I happy to share them, ready for recognize this page. You understand? Because you go watching, yeah, so pushing out. No, you have finished work. There is social media now. So you don't have to work and work. You use as well. You use as well. If you money gaga, if your pa, if you no zua or pa, so as well be there is. No be there. If your pa, nyama children. I'm messing the raw. On it did based on their message. Okay, are UK? We know Yaki man go Italy. Okay, are UK? Now here we day. While I there for I don't my drink. Let me drink beer.
It's me we do I know now wicked children ha. I don't know. Now as we reach school today, now they bring paper con everybody. We have every aboki with the kettle. Now I say, hey, voila. Thank you, mommy. I still try my best. The enemy, you know the issue. You guys are just
8 years now. You still try your best for language, to write for Deutschland. Every time they feed up till now, you still try your best. If we get one, you are a shameless woman. You are a big shame to your family. You are a big disgrace to your children. You see your life. You go. Tell you why. Tell you why. Ugumami owe. Uwete su ukwa wenesu. Wenesu ukwa. Wenesu. Why are you over here? And you know where you die. Why are you over here? Oh, wanuma bo. Usize. Yeah, you expect to sleep. You not feel sleep. Unya yiriobe. Iyego. Tu yiriobe. Why would I boy one? Oh, what in my body? Expect you were boy one. Expect you were. Idiot where ever dying. Do with my hand. Where deck bet you where we feel your winning. Want to sleep? Where you want to sleep? Why am you over here? Would you know where? Enough to sleep. If you don't get notification, you enter the page, you follow the page, you follow the page back again. Then you press notification bell. You understand? Like me now, I get the notification. Yes. The same thing will happen to you. So I've done the get one before. I unfollow the page, I follow the page back again. I go press notification bell. I on the notification bell. So if I come live, I go make my account from my phone. See, I don't do live. You understand? Any other of my Facebook, my page, if I did live with this one, I go make noise for the next one. I go no say I did live. So if you do like that, so those of you who don't get notification, you can go back to the page, unfollow the page, and follow the page back again. Then press notification bell. If possible, press the notification. If you follow the page, press the notification bell or off and on them again. Then whenever I come live, you'll be notified. Then press like and love. Do like that, you'll get them. For all my page, go reach $1 and all others. You feel me? So at least the page that they come up small now. It's not. So the little one I want to do for me, when I help them to share the page so that other people see the video, don't say this page still exists. When I talk to you now, so this is the organ of them all. The organ of them all. And so you want to go you go. Go now. No we care yoga. When I give me a care for Kiunia, oh, we're not doing here. We carry wowa. Asha woni kwemu. Oh, you were not doing. Everything got back here. You have wowa. Because you too like Bola. You too like Bola. Bola when you tell born 4 children. You say the Bola got back. Say the Bola when they walk again. Bola when you tell born 4 good children. Tell me why the Bola no go back. Man when they with you, you dey cheat on her. Why is Bola no go back? Man when they with you, you don't give her rest of mind. Why is Bola no go back? Man when they with you, money go come your hand. The same man which from Nagada born children. The same man which from Nagada plan say go Germany. 60,000 don't they work well for us again. Go Germany, go live better life for these children. You go work, money finish, you go to use on the build house for your family. You go use on the feed your family for house. The man go dey hungry for Italy. The man go see his people come, go say na problem. The man go still move from Italy, come into for Germany. Now fast and go take end down. Why the man Bola no go back? Bola when you know when you say not good, you use and born 4 children, you don't leave the man. You don't leave the man. Because you don't reach Germany now, you just small boy for camp where they fuck you. Where they hammer you to. Where they say they wash your pekus well. You can't say this man now. enough, he do anything again. When this man they young, when this man never old, when this man was still young, when you see they vibrant, when they knock you, you not say you no go leave, say it not good. I ask you a question. When you tell me, say, I said, go meet your husband back. You tell me, say, the man going on the work again. You know, the man again. As you so you like her. As you get your freedom, so you want your freedom. The man say the man a sadist. So the man, you say your husband a sadist. I say, which time say your husband a sadist? Not be the same man. Not be this prick you take born all these children. You say me not if you understand. And if you enter, if you tell born all the children, if you just sleep with you once you enter, 1, 2, 3, your pause, your pause, so they take him, bam. Because your womb near ground. You say your womb near ground. Once the man you enter your photo, if your post sperm for once like this, bam. You don't take it. You don't go even care whether you go even come. Well, must you come? Who suck me to a way? If nobody be again, you be no well, no they vera. They be again, no must you come? You say because your husband not make you come. Because of that one, you want to come, you don't go to Tom Price. You don't want the marriage degree. You look the man, you put on spit. You call the man Black Jesus. I tell you, say, manager, no man, Eddie, no man. As far as the man sitting there with you, 12 and go for that call. Okay, fine. You call the man to order. You say, make the man allow you to go to a friend boy. Make the man allow you to go to a friend boy for outside. Go to knock. Then, but 12 and go sit there as husband and wife. 2 years not go here now. The whole world never here now. You say, make the man they allow you to go to a friend boy. Or no need to the man say, you don't already a friend boy. You do already the friend boy. You tell the man, say, okay, make the man allow you. The man say, no. That if I'm here allow where you go. You see, you came out on social media, you bring Dido out. You don't explain the outcome of the Dido. You did not explain. Play the record. You recorded your husband. Play your husband record for the whole world to hear. You record your husband. Each conversation you and your husband they talk, you then record your husband. And you forwarded it to me. After I list the finish, you deleted it. You not delete it. Play the record. How you and your husband they talk. Thank God I will see brief proof of the videos and the pictures of your husband on hospital bed when he go do operation for a prick where you said to be. So that make the man tell you say nothing whatsoever to discuss we are not know. You understand me? So that the man say okay, no problem. What will happen? He not feel allow you to go to sleep with another man. But okay, he go buy you Dido. Maybe they use Dido to satisfy your sex urge due to say he not did there with you. When he still come, we don't go still make love. You say no. The next thing when you go talk, you send an abomination. One of the listen as useless as this woman. She dey look the man, she dey try to play smart on that man. Then when me and you dey discuss, what do you say? You say for your husband to even suggest a dildo for you, say automatically you don't feel marry him again. When you know say you don't say you don't turn bride price before. Don't turn bride price. Why down the hall? You say for your husband to suggest dildo to you, say automatically an abomination. You don't already commit abomination already. So nothing what your husband will say you do, you go fit do. You understand? This swearing where your husband bring also not be now your husband bring home. You know when your husband this thing come before. When the thing cause quarrel between your husband. When you tell your husband say when you dey prison, go spend 6 years for prison and not cheat on you, and whereas you are cheating on your husband. Now when we don't born finish, now one cheat on you. Here you go. About with the smile. I thought I said this saga go long. We not go settle down. They follow this episode one after the other. So now go hear go story. All your story for Roma here. I go expose you. I will expose all your story for Roma. You understand? All your story for Capolina 105. Your story for Capolina 105. Everything. For this Roma. Yeah, make money. Yeah, go make it down here. You go. Then you are getting the forever the way they gone. How you can sleep around when your husband is in prison? When you only born only ego, then you be having just only ego. How you can sleep around? I will narrate everything from the beginning to the ending. You jam your match. Now you jam from the beginning to the ending. If I lie against you, go and bring a Bible for me. Everything we had to talk, if not lie, this, if one lie, then everything we had to talk about, we are here, Bible go me. When you are getting go ahead from the beginning to the one, no one we are going to remove. Yeah, none area. Now, sit down at you go to the computer Dutchies. That's not today. He don't take now. He don't take. He don't take. He don't take. Not be today. Women when no say he go to computer Dutchies. They know themselves. After they talk now, they know. They verse because I can't expose Yego because they know say I last Yego and I code the hidden secrets. When this butterfly cast, when what do they call them? Napoli vendors. When if I cast this butter, they call they suspend themselves. Those my bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie. They call they suspend themselves. Who go to come, go to come, go to come, go to come, go to come. This guy got to this guy, go touch many people for real. Yes. You go expose many women. Especially when we concern you go. Yes. This guy go expose many for inside. Me talk. The only solution to this guy, you have to give me my land documents plus my 1.2 that give your brother. Yes. Since we are given that 1.2, you don't do anything. Give him 200. Now you have the last one you are given 201 million. So go give me 1.2 plus my land and my house documents. Basta. The whole issue go quench. The whole matter of this million will your end. If me so. If your brother don't count my 1.2 million, give me. Plus my land, my house documents. A family does want to go. One time. When you way, I might do as when I was one cannon. Who come Calabar?
Do yourself. When I tell you that no weapon fashioned against me shall prosper, you guys think I'm joking. You try yourself. Weapon fashioned against me shall prosper, you guys think I'm joking. You try yourself. The Almighty God will make me awake from the time we prayed 10 o'clock till 5 o'clock this morning. I said, God, you are a wonderful God, you are a powerful God. You are the Lord that has.
Oh, wonderful. This is so wonderful. Today now, God, now you could call. He don't talk to wonderful God, powerful God, who will depress. You go, we see you are not depression, not worry you. The young one too, when I head bomb. Anyone will not the very day now when she do want to talk about, I stay up till 5 before I sleep. I was on TikTok. With that TikTok, they go care. Many of them go feel no, now go know that is before yesterday. Day before yesterday night, stroke yesterday morning. With that TikTok. After we threw that TikTok, another kind was no another kind for 3 something to 4. I can't call my wife. No, we talk to team to 5. This woman did they watch me for TikTok. He says spiritual people in the fight spiritual people for night. Oh God. Do I get I told you? Yeah, give me TikTok. For night too. Oh, they crack joke, they talk about Miliki, the back bekus, how to lick bekus, how to make woman come, all those kinds of stuff. They talk about how to put a woman bekus to. When would they discuss that thing for night? We discuss that in kind to 4. Before I can say I want to end the live stream. This woman not sleep. He was watching on TikTok. The morning of it now be yesterday morning. She came out categorically do this video say, now so she not sleep. She just there awake. She go tell us say, the Almighty God Any weapon shall fashion against me shall prosper. The Almighty God, with your shower mark where you get for joy. With your mark. This woman stupid ritual. You were there to talk to Deborah, they watch to talk to Deborah. You say they fight spiritual fight for nights. Who you want life to? Now so they scam on they know God, they know him. Now they hear her now, they praise God now. They thank God, they give thanks to God. But when I listen to the ending, when I listen to the ending, when I say this woman really the highest rate of our depression. When I hear her, when I hear a highest of depression, when I hear her.
But any time when I catch him, you cannot say yes, you don't set. Enemies coming, they want to come, they will never succeed. Yes. Now open eye they wait. 5:30, I go peace. Now that they call overfair for Nigeria, no one in why. At the end, I said they come. You want to call it you no hide. I don't even marry a leg. If you not take time, madness, you turn down. You that person, you know yourself. You know yourself. I know how they mention me for this my platform. You know yourself. If you not take time, make you day your day, make you leave me alone. Amen. All you last. Not be joke. Don't try yourself. Not get no gas. So you also not to gain where. Because ni me wana especially when you know what in aso ni me wana no we ba so avan we ko gas ni we. So 30 minutes we actually do ya operate. You see the way my hand beat you yesterday nyanya. I beat you yesterday big when ni agbe. Na gbagbe na ho na re school. So try yourself again. Try yourself again. Not be lie yo. I just there awake. That thing they always do me. Anytime we say evil people want me, they try me. In your way, you want to allow you to. Why do two? No, you want to make back. I not say okay. You want to allow you to. I can't carry my phone. They swipe for TikTok. They swipe. Put my earpiece for you. Make children for sleep.
Not here.
I go school the next morning. This is how I don't sleep. Now my eye here make bobo. Say God.
When I hear she carry her phone, they swipe, they go for TikTok, they watch for TikTok that time. The only enemy when you get on me, more. Bueno, wagu na mono menwe. Boy, if you na yakwe. More, why the worst enemy you have? The enemy agbu ba so dia agbu afun. Ina me we. You just do a man and you go to but why the worst enemy? What you know, we more than if from Vito, why who you me like a corner talk. From Vito, I'm done. As Zagman Zane, from Vito. Meno, one time I need to go with Yahweh. Yeah, we have to know, baby. We are with me, one with me. Woman will be my way on your way. It's one really way. More time away. If you don't keep paying, you keep paying. Carabos say, gather what I say. Uma no back and see one look back. You go wrong for me. Carabos say, gather what I say. Oh, I don't want. Oh, hand working. Oh, working. Wait, just a little boy. You get your hand. Wait, just a little boy. Yes, small boy. 5 o'clock in the morning already. 5 a.m. I go peace for toilet. I come back again. Now that's okay. Me I also try. Whether I see cover this ice more. Name the now they take come home. Hey, that is small. You. If you don't want mad for my matter, stay away from me. Stay away. Don't come. You don't have anything. I did not have anything that belongs to you. Don't come here. You want to take what you want to take. Near those zenele you egbe. Neni kauge to zenele you egbe mundane. Don't know you.
You dey feel me so.
Not be God again now.
So day your day, oh, day your day. Thank you very much. Day your day, because I be just me, just be quiet. You know, so they say now they take no matter they rush it. Say I beg you, let me, mommy, what let me come. You know now, because if I be no palm about buwa, why you want to go deal with no year what day?
we be say I not wrong you. I not wrong you. Not only when I wrong you, now you say that me I no dey wrong anybody.
No.
Maybe wrong go my body me wrong go my wrong you. When man I here waiting for this moment, even we can ya let go. Na madness or ya let go. Because I did my day. Oh. I just did my day.
Wrong go man. Ekianu no we no we wrong go man. Oh, don't know you where you were. Let me stand with your husband. Here go. Vera no sazua. No kemu sheshe wo pare. Wrong go man. Tony Mokoyo, Tony Embassy, aka Tony Embassy, paid your bride price as custom and traditions demand. Umaroge, Urongoma. A man that pay your bride price and marry you traditionally. Una yeti cheat on that man. Una bekia. We be say the Bola no dey work again. You condemn that man, Bola. You not wrong that man. No. Your own daughter started to work for Germany. The daughter decided to be sending money to his father in Italy. You stop your own daughter from sending his father's money. Who wrong, Goma? You don't wrong anybody. Or money ye when you jomo, who really go get the man? You decide say you're not going to send the man money again. So you're not going to send the man house rent again, which you have been doing for the past 7 years. Or we go more Italy will pay. We're paying the house rent for 7 good years. Now, we will pay without making franking. Without franking, go away and we make also we bonnet. So you're not going to pay that man house rent again. Your own daughter send money go give your father. You call chain. You started the quarrel with your daughter. If not so, you go stop her from working. Say you go stop your daughter from working because as your daughter is working, the child benefit of your daughter that government is paying you, they are no longer paying you again because your daughter don't work, don't pay tax to the government. So you don't shorten the money when you receive from government and join your own salary 1,200 when you receive for work. For the 4 hours work you do. Then now you cut chain. So if a go decide to send the father money, you will stop her from working. War offender one, which leads to a lot of chaos between you and the man. Hello, is somebody hearing what I'm saying? You're going to hear. If you forget, I'm going to remind you every details about you on this media. You're not the offend person. You're not the offend person. You dash me land 30 by 120. Abuse for that land. Then the minute I said that land is too small, I want to buy Jonah. I buy Jonah. You charge me 400,000. The first property was 300,000, which you write 300,000, and you dash me free. Then the second one was 400,000, which I paid to your own brother's account. Because I continue to have sex with you, I refuse to start having sex with you after I don't get wife. I refuse to tell them to show you Bola for social media. Maybe they do something together for social media. Now you provoke. You come after my wife. You call my wife all sort of name. My wife respected you as a governor to me. She has never insulted you once. But you start insulting my wife on social media. You have issue with Monica, which does not concern my wife. Then you start insulting my wife. My wife not going to join you to insult Monica. Like say my wife, you're my wife, I'm the simple man. Who offend one? Who offend one? Or my offend the way? On social media, they brought a picture up among the same women I have slept with for 2024, Canada. You came out categorically and started insulting me, insulting my wife. Who offend one? Or my offend the way? Who offend one? Or my offend the way? You came out on media, you don't fear. You will be saying you're talking white like warehouse. You see, your generation gets good Toto. Who offend one? The only ones For the past three occasions, what you do is insult my wife. I dey cool my wife down, she leave her. All because see, na my former godmother and the same time, in hand of buy land where I build house for Lagos. Leave her. Then you still continue to they do. Like say now you born me. You will be don't climb. You will not carry force down. You will not still come. Like they don't feel countless times so I don't make you come. You not still get that fear, that respect. Say this girl don't make me come for several times. Me cannot insult her. You come out of me that insult me. Are you mad? Me are you not mate? Because you big like fool, you don't get sense. You come out of social media, you insult me. No one insulting me. You insult me, I don't get banana, you don't get problem. Because even your insult, salt the inside. I'll eat and cook soup. I'll leave the ink. I don't get you. But you insulting my wife, I don't get problem with you. My wife came out, he attacked you back. This one a woman. If woman to woman fight, now because they drop body, put beat head and they drop. Okay. The next thing you could do, you return immediately. You come on live video again. You tell them they insult my wife again. I watched your video, I lock up, and I came out to address you. You don't have that right to insult my wife. You are not my family member. You are a business partner. You are a fucking mate. I fuck you, I dump you. Because you know what to marry. You will kill your husband, Bola. Why you don't go kill my Bola? That's what you don't know. We see ahead of you. You think they see, you know they see anything. You be your zoo. You understand what I'm saying? The first husband die for your sake. The second husband now, you buy Bola. Now, moi, about this man, I have to use my brain. That's the reason why I'm going to disgrace you for the whole world to know who you are. For other men that still come into your life again, they should be careful of the kind of evil woman you are. Who will not bother. You understand? Who offended one? And I came and support my wife 100% of insulting you. Now you see my house puts. Abi? So since all these years, since 2022, I'm not buy land for your hand. You're not draw me land property. You're not draw me land money. Since 2022, when you dash me land, you not draw me say, Frank Victor, you go to them. You dash me land. You not draw me land and buy your brother car. You dash me land as you claim. Say I don't buy. You not draw me the money of land. I dash you 700 euros. When you claim say they go Canada. 2025, 2023. You not draw me money for land though. You not draw money for land. I send your money. May you take chop. You dash me land. I owe you money for land. Not drop me money for land. You say smart. You feel say you smart. When I say a boy and I wall away, you feel low because we live by many. When we believe you were winning men, more arguments so well. Argument. You help me help your family. Now it pass. Your brother or two anything Derek on you no echo. If you become a cow now in Lagos, it was my power. It's my own money. There you go where. There you go where. If the motor in the case of where driving, I don't buy a car for I will learn driving. What offend man? Or my offend we what assume for national history. Oh, you assume. You see the evil mind, what women also to they assume with what do. On a yard accident. My me Yorkba. Who are you was safe? Umenwan. Mota. You will know the day you know Umenwan. You will regret of knowing me. What bijou I go.
I did my day, not concern me and anybody. But anybody will say I'm attack career. You won't go try yourself. You'll see what will happen to you last now. You see how the gods of our land will prepare your bed. You will see how Your fellow witches and wizards will prepare your dead. Who must to convince me why? Because we're going. So why do Gualawana? Why do Azanze Yabando Gualawana? That we Marwa, we're begging me. Can't you see who I am? Me, I'm whoever vice if evil will gather your Kwame, who gas over here. Evil away, Igwe, hiding your high. Because I want to sleep. I make me do my bed because yesterday, I know this.
You see, as you fake rich, as you fake rich. So, has document go deal with you for Germany for there? So, person want to drag has document, want to find collect document for you, come meet you for Germany for night spiritually. So you can carry the house document for spiritual, right? Person will not know your house, or come out, on fly on your house, you call they scatter your room, you sit down, you look at, you can carry house document for your house, because we go to room. We may be look back, we is what day. It may just your way, you go use your money to confess. Who you know where I take it, ye. Who the hell say, help me? Ya come on, go your hand, go. Who are you? Maybe look back. I go.
I did the wait, say, what you want to have? What is soon? I have a dinner. I'm more dear man, ass. Begging, the fuel. The night be moon, a cooking boy, a cooking boy. Why Sadawagun? Why see a cooking? My leg goes to confess. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Don't let anybody deceive you to come close to me with your witchcraft. Don't let anybody deceive you to come. I'm warning you. Now, not so that they tell us, say, hey, the God is sandwich, the God is sandwich, because now, not so that I'm be. And the shoe now, yesterday was a tug of war. When they don't break, finish. Some people, they get off for Germany, 5 o'clock, they go walk. Some people, they get off 4:30, they go walk. But me yesterday, 5, I still there awake. Now ask me, I go please, because I need to close this eye. No way, or ya school. Yeah, you might I be not want to go school today. To say I don't see go school, I go miss this test we will do today. Now I say no, me I go school anyhow. But luckily for me, I feel my breast if you carry the school today. As I just come back, so now you all eat.
Yeah, we get laugh. Yeah, we get. All this is make me laugh. I don't know why. Oh God, it is very funny.
Now see, and I wouldn't be at the school. Now he might can won't sleep. I make people do this very well. As the spirit lead me. As they tell you now, I don't say that person, they wash me. May you not come here again. 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 May you not go break your waist. I go, you can't go. You can't go. You not go. Come where you are.
You go or you come. Or now go come. Can't be very useless woman.
I don't want to carry woo. What must to car? Okay, woo. So, why when they go, they your lay make a day my leo. As I just so. I don't know your thing, you know my thing. I don't know what you call here, call the scatter everywhere. They find what you know hide. So, when Egi sango me buwe, gasi no go buwe. Egi denya se buwe. Just day your day.
As you no get me
Look me well. Look me well. I know the fear.
Obi asigidi ni kwemu. Obi asigidi no ge wodo. Wa asigidi ogun enya. Asigidi ma fi yeke gbuwe ne. Asigidi ma fi yeke gbuwe ne vera no wa. I wa be go so nu ma kan o. Wa be ge ma mo no wa ye ko wa. Wa be ge no de ge ke no tin ye gbe go da o. Wa bo ma go le bi go le lewe. Asiki no ge wodo. Asiki don we ki bieka. Asiki don gba shawo. Asiki igbe agesa deyan. Wa me mu wa gun. O enege. O ene kworo. I asiki de pota pe kuzu. Asiki no you ya be too flatty. No you be for flatty. E o ya sigidi. I asi yebo na sigidi ti wa onu wele hin. Asiki no wa yebo no. Asiki no ya ge wodo. Asiki no ge wodo.